Welcome back to Oregon Makers. Today we're making a bunk bed. I'm starting off with 2x6 KD burr, and I'm running them through the planer on both sides just to get all the mucks off of it and everything. And I'm ripping this to get the factory edge off. I'm going to do this on 4 of them. And then on another 4, I'm ripping it, and the width that's my waist is the thickness of the 2x6. And you'll see, because when I put these two together at an L, I want them to be the same height. So here I've got the short one against the wider one, or the narrow one against the wider one, and they're the same height as a single board. Now I'm just going to cut them to length, and I've set up a little stop block down here. And I do this on just about everything I cut multiple pieces. Now I'm laying out for like the cross members, and I'm going to hide all my joinery. You'll see in a minute here, but I'm going to use pocket screws to put the 2 pieces for each leg. That's what we've been working on, are the legs. But all of the fasteners will be hidden. And it's a little fuzzy. So I'm going to take it over and sand off the fuzz. Now I'm putting the edge back on it because a hard edge off the table saw is, you can like literally cut yourself with it. So I'm just putting a little edge on it. And now I'm assembling one end and making sure it's square. Before I drive all the screws down. And then I'm using a spacer, and that's one end done. The other end is done down there by the garage door. Now it's just a little base. The bed frame will sit on that piece. And then I'm putting more pocket holes in for the assembly of the bed frame. So we're going to glue and screw this. In this whole build, the entire build, you see 4 screws. No, 8 screws. So it's pretty clever. This is based on a J. Bates designed bunk bed, and I'll link that video in the description. This is a little ledger that's going to hold the mattress. Actually, it's going to hold the slats that hold the mattress. And now I'm cutting biscuits. I'm just cutting half of it now. There's going to be 2 per. And the reason I do it the way I'm doing it is I use the same reference face. So I'm going to cut the biscuits in the bed frame and the pieces that join it. And I make an adjustment to the biscuit joiner, and I just go in the same place. I just like to reference the same face. I could have just walked to the other side and done it, but this is way more accurate. And now I'm coming back with the adjustment, and then putting the other slot in. So that's going to be for the guard for the top bunk. And then I paint. I set up 2 different places so the paint can dry so I can turn it over. I really wish I would have gotten tinted primer on this. I spent days painting. Now we're going to cut the slats, and I'm going to put one in each of the bed frames just to transport it to site so it doesn't rack. And now we're at the customer's house, and they had a custom home built for them, and this cubby was designed for bunk beds. Here I am putting in the biscuits for the guard. So here's the final pieces here, the top rail for the guard, and the last back piece, which is going to hide the fasteners, and then the slats to hold the mattress, and the happy homeowner. That's how we made bunk beds.